Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing of American Defense scope mount for my Vortex Viper. This is model number, I guess, AD Recon 30. Yeah, exactly. This mount is apparently as good as a LaRue. It's slightly cheaper. So you got the mount in the bag. Let's see what else is in here before I open it. Allen wrench. Looks like a Loctite. And a little baggie. That's the same thing. And an instruction manual. Okay. Let's go ahead and take this out of the bag. It looks extremely oily. The whole inside of the bag is oily and wet. Alright, so you got two big clamps to hold the actual scope itself. Then you have two thumb levers. And you push on this little button right here to release it. Obviously you gotta do this one first. Okay, and that lever is going to tighten down on the Picatinny rail, like so. Looks like a very nicely made mount. Got American flag back here with American Defense on it. And I'll go ahead and get this mounted to my scope and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so there it is. Scope's mounted up. I did not put the Loctite on yet. Going to wait until I get it actually on my rifle and check for fit and adjust it front to back. And that's basically what it looks like. Obviously, I believe the scope needs to be pushed further back to maybe center this, but all depends on how it fits on the rifle. So. But that is a Vortex Viper mounted to a American Defense mount. So, thank you for watching.